you're born, they make you feel small. When they tortured and scared you for 20-odd years, then they expect you to pick a career when you can't really function, you're so full of fear. A working class hero is something to be. A working class hero is...
Well, my name's Nathan Butler and I just turned 13 a couple of months ago. I am living with HIV. I was born with it. It's just a disease. What's the big deal? There's a life beyond the virus.
Because you look different, you become a target for ridicule and suspicion. I love being a Muslim because it's produced in me the best qualities that a human being can be.
I came from West Africa. I live because of war. They killed all of my family. We are there in the camp for 7 years as a refugee. My wife went to the hospital to give a child, and she passed away, she died.
He said that if I divorced him, he would kill me and he would kill my parents. He had stripped me of everything. I had nothing. I was prepared to die.
Follow me. If you want to be a hero, well, just follow me.